Alright, folks, can I have your attention, please? The folks.
Kankesh.
Hello, folks. Can everybody come forward, please?
The phone.
Guys, all the players come forward.
Pavilion, come forward, guys. Pavilion, come. SCC. Folks, come. Folks, we're going to get started with the award ceremony. Can I have your attention, please? Alright, thank you all. First off, it's been a hot day. Thank you all for a wonderful tournament. This is our 15th edition. Really appreciate the support over the number of years that we have gotten from the greater Sacramento community. This is one of our beloved tournaments. Obviously, we do it for charity, but again, at the end of the day, we all try to have fun, and we try to put up as best a show as possible. Usually, there are some hiccups along the way, but over the 15 years, it's been largely successful. We have donated over $110,000 over the 15 years, guys, to different charities locally and internationally. So this year, we are donating through Intel Volunteer Grant Matching Program and Blue Shield Volunteer Grant Matching Program, as well as through our sponsors. The donations go to, first, Subhida International Foundation. I don't know who don't know about him in Greater Sacramento. Mr. Bhaskar Garu. He's been doing yeoman service, I don't know, forever, right? Sacrificing his, whatever, right? Just to make sure that everybody in the world is getting up to par with the rest of them. So please give him a big round of applause. Now, the next one, it's a fledgling organization, but it started in earnest over a couple of years back. Trikarna started by Balu. He's our good friend who's been there for 26 years. He also used to be a part of Subhida. Now, along with Subhida, he's formed Trikarna. So please, again, big round of applause for him. Now, so these two are the charities that we are giving the donations to for this year. We also have some sponsors we have to thank. First, I would like to start with our grand sponsor, Bawarchi restaurant, Praveen Nadalla. He's been there forever for us. Obviously, he's a part of FCC, and then he formed the business. He's always been supporting us. Thank you, Praveen. Next we have, recently over the past 3 years, Malika Deckers has been helping us a lot. Sahiti, she does great decor work, and looking forward to your decoration next week for my event, Sahiti. Thank you. Then we have a new sponsor this year, which is two new sponsors actually. One, there's a new batting facility in Rancho Cordova with 3 batting cages, 3 professional bowling machines, and he's been our former and even current FCC member, Sunmit Patil. Next we have our own committee member, always been a part of FCC, still plays now, Travel with Peace, Pawan Punamraju. Peace! Folks who are not here but have sponsored us through the years, Shadesmate, who does the blinds, Harsha and Vijay, and Swara Productions, Rajesh. They were not here, but thank you all. So we've had this, and again, last but not the least, we've had this sponsored for a long time. He's been a long time supporter of FCC and sponsor of FCC as well. Shankar Reddy, Realtor Shankar Reddy, but he couldn't be here, but he's been a great supporter for us. Please, a big round of applause. Alright, again, this year we had food from Ruchi, a part of it. So thank you, Ruchi, for the food. And then Divakar, our tiger from Natomas, has donated $100 as usual towards the causes this year as well. So please give him a big round of applause. Overall, we were able to contribute, and we need to do the final tally, but over $6,000 this year from all the sponsors and the registration money. Every penny goes to the donations. Intel directly gives it to Trikarna. Blue Shield directly gives it to Suvidha. Right? Because of the volunteer work we do, every volunteer gets $10 per hour. So that's yesterday and today. So you can count the money. So it's a lot of money for the charities. So thank you Intel and thank you Blue Shield and thank you. Now, so all these folks you see here have worked tirelessly for the past 1 month, yesterday and today. So this is a teamwork, right? So please give them a big round of applause.
Yeah, thank you.
We could not be doing this without them for the past 10-15 years. And everybody has been there for the past 10-15 years. And of course, Kanikesh, I don't know why you're there. You should come here. But and then Vinay, right? So always our house photographer. And there's Uday as well. Thank you. Okay. All right. So let's get to the awards. So we'll start with the Division B. Now for the finals and the knockouts MVP, I would like to request Balu to give away the award to Nikhil Gundala, 26 of 8 balls. Great job, congrats. Now for the runners-up, runners and winners, I would like to request Sumit to come over and give away the trophies and the medals. Runners-up, it's Wholesome Scorchers. Great job, guys. Wholesome Scorchers. Good job.
Venkat, move.
So the runners are also getting vouchers from Infinity Batting Cages to practice their, batting, I guess, so that they can win Division A next time. So the winners, I mean, this is a new team. We thought it was a surprise team, but for them probably they expected to win. Pavilion Indoor Sports. Great job.
Go team.
Sai Bandit, Nikhil, Sanitya, thank you. Great job. Alright, great job, guys.
Congratulations.
Guys, Division B winners also get a cash prize of $400. Give it to them.
Manar.
I would like to donate this prize money to charity.
That's very generous. Thank you, Pavilion. Alright, next we move on to Division A. So we'll start with the semis MVP, finals MVP, and then runners and winners in that order. So for the semis, 1 and 2 MVPs, I would like to request Bhaskar Garu to give away the awards. For the semis 1, it was Top Guns versus Lodi Fighters. And the MVP for this is Sunny Singh with 2 catches and 28 runs. Sunny Singh.
Sachin Singh.
Now for the semis 2, Lodi Zelmi versus FCC. Preb Singh played a stellar role, 20 runs and 6 balls and 1 wicket. Preb Singh. Great job, man. The finals for Division A Finals MVP, I would like to request Praveen to go away with the award. This is to Rinku Singh, 24 in 7 balls, 5 runs and 1 wicket in his over.
Yeah, Rinko!
Congrats, buddy.
Come on, Rinko!
Okay, there's so guys, before we go on to the runners and winners trophies, there's one appreciation award which we would like to give away. This is for, like, you know, our dear friend Shashi coming in and umpiring in the hot sun for all the critical, you know, knockout stages. Shashi, listen. Thank you, Shashi. Now I would like to request Sahithikari to come and give us the award for the runners-up. So, you know, again, so Top Guns has a habit of being on the podium, whether it's Division B or Division A, it doesn't matter. Runners are fun, you know, winners. So that's great team management today, I guess. So for the runners, it's Top Guns. They get a $500 trophy and medals. Congratulations. Everybody. Also vouchers from Infinity Batter Sumit. Thank you, Sumit. Great job. Thank you. Alright, now for the division, this team, I would like to request Praveen to give away this award. Division A, winners chase 57 in 3.3 overs, great bowling and great chasing. They get $800 trophy and medals. FCC is our winner of this year's edition of Bawarchi Cup. Great job, guys. Come on over, everybody. Come, Rinku, everybody. Rizal, Sidhu, Prab. Great job, guys.
Let's go, boys! And the champion!
Come.
Sorry everyone, yaar. Our Sudhi our management is also here. The whole management.
Oh, bhai, halla kar lo, halla! There you go, champion team!
And they also get $800 cash prize.
Yeah, party.
Great job, guys. And they also get vouchers for infinity batting cages from Sumit. Yeah. Great job, guys.
Oh, Sumit bhai, soccer wale.
Thank you.
Alright, guys. So this concludes our award ceremony. Thank you all again for a wonderful tournament. We'll be back again next year. Volunteers, let's start clean up. Thank you all. Appreciate it. Good night.